Hey guys, so before we even get into the React code, I want to take just a moment to get into a demonstration of how React actually works. So React, it can be thought of as a module system. So React handles complicated modules, and if we look at basically how to sum that up, React is all about building like self-contained modules. So this entire square is one particular module. And then inside of this module, we might have a bunch of other modules. Like, so here's one module, and then here's another module, and here's another one. And these things all do self-contained things. So if we went ahead and we said this is module 3, and this is module 2, and here's one, but here's the master module. Alright, so that's sloppy writing, but that's the master. Now this React is really good at maintaining state. So what is state? State is the ability to monitor changes based on like a user logging in or changing some particular thing, and then all these other updates happen because of that one change. So that's called state management. That's what React does really good at, and that's why everybody likes React. So you could have a server, so that here's a server sitting up here, and then the React component, say this component, this master component, is communicating with the server, so it's calling out to the server every 3 seconds, say, and the server's getting some data, processing, and then it's passing the data back to the component. And because React is smart, it knows, okay, something changed to this item right here, let me re-render the entire thing, and it will re-render all of the stuff, so it knows that a change was made. Another good thing too is that you can reuse components inside of the component. So like, say this is a component that is showing all the comments. Well, your comments could be one component. So this component's basically being used over and over and over again for each comment. And say this is a form to post new comments right here. And this is something else that is just like monitoring data. But ultimately they can all be managed separately, but React is keeping it all inside. The entire state of all this stuff is inside the React global state container. So this is all handled for you. This complicated question mark of a mess is all being handled by React for you. And all you have to do is just write your code in a specific way, and all this shit just works and is fluid and is great. So that is in a nutshell, how this process works. But one of the things you want to keep in mind is that this master component is extremely important. Like, you want to have this top-down hierarchy where here's the top, and this might be the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. But this top, this outer component is the most key part. So it's very, very key. Alright guys, so all that said, I just wanted to explain React at a high level of how React works and how React should be approached and looked at. And in the next video, we're going to go ahead and actually get into writing some React code and seeing it work. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check out Hipster Code for more tutorials.